Today we'll discuss about cycle time, takt time, and lead time. Cycle time. Definition. Cycle time is the total time taken to complete a single cycle of a process or task. Or, cycle time is how long it takes to complete one task or job. किसी स्पेसिफिक टास्क और प्रोसेस को कंप्लीट करने के लिए जितना टाइम कंज्यूम हो रहा है उसको साइकिल टाइम कहते हैं. फॉर्मूला. Cycle time is equal to number of tasks divided by total time. Example, if you make a sandwich, the cycle time is the total time it takes from start to finish, including preparing ingredients and assembling the sandwich. Let's understand with the help of another example. Formula, cycle time is equal to number of units produced divided by total production. Time example. Consider an assembly line where a product is being assembled. If it takes 5 minutes to assemble 1 unit of the product, then the cycle time is 5 minutes. Takt time definition. Takt time is the available time divided by the customer demand, representing the maximum time allowed per unit to meet customer demand. Or takt. Time is how much time you have to spend on each task to meet a specific demand. एक टास्क को कंप्लीट करने के लिए कितना मैक्सिमम टाइम अवेलेबल है उसको टैक्ट टाइम कहते हैं. फॉर्मूला, टैक्ट टाइम, अवेलेबल टाइम डिवाइडेड बाय कस्टमर डिमांड. एग्जांपल, if you have 60 minutes to make 30 sandwiches, the takt time is 60 minutes. Divided by 30 sandwiches is equal to 2 minutes per sandwich. Let's us understand with the help of another example formula. Takt time is equal to available production time divided by customer demand. Example, if a factory operates for 8 hours a day and there is a demand for 400 units, then the takt time is 8 hours. Divided by 400 units is equal to 0.02 hours per unit. Lead time definition. Lead time is the total time elapsed from the moment a customer places an order until the product or service is delivered to the customer. Or, lead time is the total time it takes from ordering something until you receive it. कस्टमर के प्रोडक्ट ऑर्डर करने से लेकर प्रोडक्ट रिसीव करने तक का जितना टाइम होता है उसको लीड टाइम कहते हैं. Formula, lead time is equal to processing time plus waiting time plus transportation time plus queue time plus buffer time. Example, if you order a package online and it takes 3 days to be delivered, the lead time is 3 days. Let's understand with the help of another example. Formula will be the same as previous. Example, suppose a customer places an order for a custom-made product and it takes 10 days to manufacture and deliver the product. The lead time is 10 days. The components may vary based on the specific context. In essence, cycle time is about one task, takt time is about meeting demand, and lead time is about the time it takes for something to reach you after you've ordered it. These concepts help in understanding and improving efficiency in various processes, from making sandwiches to managing production in a factory. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.